Hello, this is David from QGY TEA. When we talk about Darjeeling's legendary Muscatel aroma, which tea estate should we remember first? There may be several answers, but one name stands at the heart of Darjeeling's heritage: Castleton Tea Estate. Established in 1884, Castleton is one of Darjeeling's most iconic tea gardens. Today, I met the manager, listened to Castleton's story, and tasted their teas together. Now, let's take a closer look. So here is Castleton's meeting room, and as you can see, here is a very unique flag, right? Green color flag. And yeah, this picture are showing some tea gardens of Castleton. Yeah, delightfully dazzling. Rare dazzling teas, Castleton. Oh, it's 3 ounces, right? Exquisite, extraordinary Castleton. Wow. It is some kind of history or material injecting life into 6 tea gardens. He is a good liquors manager, director. So this is a newspaper about good liquor. Yeah, it is also Castleton's tea leaf. Oh, it is also a historic paper, right? Castleton tea nets. Wow, 13,000 rupee. The brew is to be exported to Japan, says our staff report. So at the earlier time, the tea from Castleton is also very expensive, right? It was already the boutique tea. Wow. And this is Castleton factory manager's room. Wow. Yeah, established 1884. And now manager is Pandey. Wow, now I'm meeting him. So here is dazzling tea's process. So process flow chart. Yeah. Cultivation, plucking, transportation to factory, loading the withering throw, withering, first rolling, and sifting fine, second rolling, and sifting fines, fermentation. Okay, drying, and after that drying. Okay. So it is a simple tasting at Castleton, and there's 2 types of tea.
China and Moonlight.
China and Moonlight. Chinary and Moonlight.
Moonlight.
Oh, yeah. So it looks like oxidation level is different, right?
Different plant variety.
Oh, different plant.
Right.
Okay. So this one is Chinary, right? Oh. So many tea lovers really love Chinary. They have a very good mouthfeel,
Yes.
right? Actually, I studied a lot. Oh, this one is a Moonlight. Moonlight tea color is like this, and this is a Chinary, and like this. Wow. This one is also first flush, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So both teas are first flush, and this is Chinary. So let's compare these 2 types of tea. This is Chinary, first flush of Castleton, and Moonlight, also first flush. And maybe this one is much more expensive, right? Okay. Okay, sir, can you explain the main feature, or can you compare these 2 tea? Can you explain? Yeah, the difference between both of tea and why this one is more expensive like that. Many consumers now very love these types of tea, right? So what is the reason? Yeah. So
What's the reason for this? These are two different teas
Yes.
which are made from a different tea types.
tea type.
This tea is made from the Chinary bushes.
Chinary bushes.
Yes, and this tea is made from the clonal teas from AV2.
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 Okay.
And both teas are having a different flavor because there's a difference of what we call these tips are there. There's more silvery, and these teas are silvery because there is having a pubescence in these teas, which has given a different flavor. A very mild, flowery flavor is there.
Oh, mild flower.
That's why people and the new generation are liking these kind of teas.
Oh, I see.
It's light.
Yeah.
And more refreshing. Sometimes you feel.
Yeah.
And these teas are very vintage teas. People are liking from ages. And because of this, it's a very strong aroma is there, which people like to have this from long time from the very beginning of their starting tea drinking. So they are still liking those type of teas.
Old tea lovers.
Old tea lovers.
Mania. Okay.
This is the thing, and these two are two different teas, and sometimes people like it to have it in the evening time.
Evening time.
It's a very relaxing, so light, flowery.
Right.
So these things give you a very different enhancement in your mood.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So, I want to ask that. So, many tea bloggers said Chinary bushes are very old tea tree.
Actually, Chinese bushes are the same old trees which were planted a long time, 100 years back.
100 years
This garden was established in 1884. So these trees were planted that time only, and they are still giving us a very good teas till now.
Okay. Then, if you use Chinary bushes making second flush, it will be very.
In second flush, they got a. They also give a very good teas in the second flush also. And this garden having a very good second flush teas.
Yeah.
Very strong aromas there, and in second flush, this garden make muscatel teas.
Muscatel.
And that comes only in the second flush.
But not only from the Chinary bushy, right?
This comes only from the Chinary bushes.
And
that is there. And one thing very specific, that muscatel cannot be made throughout the year. It's a specific period when bush itself is having some special kind of aroma in them. That we just capture it. And that comes for a very short duration. So that is why muscatel teas are very special teas.
The muscatel flavor is linked with some insect, bug?
No.
No.
Muscatel is a very strong, is a very strong aroma.
Yeah, strong aroma.
In the flavor also. You like that strong, some smoky is there. So that makes a very is a very sweet something. You can call it some. Just if you put some coffee on the fire. That that aroma and smoke that comes. That flavor you find it in the kind of a muscatel tea.
I see. So I just thought like if I import some tea from Castleton, then if I first flush I will choose AV2, and second flush you will choose Chinary. It is very reasonable choice. Do you think?
In both the first flush and second flush, these Chinary bushes have a different flavor and aroma.
I see.
So people are liking first flush Chinary also, second flush also.
Also love Chinary bushes.
So that's why it's a very vintage kind of a tea. Still people liking it after from ages.
I see.
And same is the case with the Moonlight also.
Moonlight.
With the time, its flavor enhanced. Sometimes it's changed, which people like also, because as human beings we all love changes. So they like both the type first flush and second flush.
Then many skillful buyer just came here and maybe directly ask you, is there a Chinary tea like that?
No, they know that Chinary bushes are there, Chinary teas are there. Now it has come from Chinary to Moonlight also. People have started liking these teas Moonlight also.
Okay, thank you. Okay, then my last question, sir. It is a brief interview. So you worked at Castleton a long time, and what makes you very proud of working at here?
First of all, I have working in this company for almost many years, 24 years in this company.
Yeah.
And tea itself is a passion for me.
Oh, your passion.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's why I'm here, and the best part, I have worked in all the three regions of Assam, Dwas, and Darjeeling. And the best part of this tea is like every day you find a different flavor in tea.
Right.
This is the uniqueness of Darjeeling tea.
Uniqueness of Darjeeling tea.
So that's why the teas of Darjeeling are different from Assam and Dwas.
Right. And you're now working at Castleton.
At present, I am working in Castleton as a manager.
Yeah.
I have worked in this garden as an assistant also.
Yeah.
This is total. I have worked 6 to 7 years. I have worked in this in this 6 years. I have worked in this garden as assistant and a manager.
So
long time.
Yeah.
And as we all know that Castleton teas are one of the best teas in the world.
Right, best tea.
Because of its place, location,
and
the specialty teas that we have. Like Muscatel, Moonlight, and special China.
So Castleton's system and quality is the world best, right? Okay, and you're the world best factory manager. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Today we tasted 2 types of tea, AV2 Moonlight and Chinary First Flush. 여기 보시면 엄청나게 상장이 많습니다. 와. And your performance over.
This is me. As an assistant that time.
At that time you're assistant manager, right? Wow. At the time you were it's like a head assistant manager.
Yes, I was
leading that team.
I was there in the factory. I was in the field. That time.
You can see here.
This
is in 2013. Fetches
88,000 kg in Russian auction. Yes.
Wow.
So I was here in 2014 also.
Then
2014. 2024 as an acting manager.
Wow. You're a live history of Castleton. So you're living in Crucium or living at this factory?
Yes, just like his house is just above this road. Mine is little far. So we are all around the factory only.
It is like being a military officer.
Yes. Same.
I graduated from Korea Military Academy, so I refused that lifestyle. So I came out, but you're still. Wow, it is very hard. It's very hard.
It's not simple.
So your family is not on this mountain, right?
No, they are also staying here.
Also staying here.
They're staying here.
So after being a tea factory manager, is there any other, dream or goal for your career? So what is your next step, sir?
Next step, like from assistant, I'll be here as a manager, then further promotions.
In this group, right?
In this group.
I see. Okay, cheer up, sir.
Yes.
It is very glorious moment. I can see the inner factory, and study about the processing of Castleton tea. Now the regulation is very strict. I'm wearing some, Okay, let's do this. I also checked, a lot of thing in here. They checked my illness or disease like that, because it is a producing section, so it is very strict. This is Castleton. Today is the perfect day, and I am looking around all the Castleton's factory. and I also saw the tea processing of first flush, and yeah, it was very nice. That tea tasting session, although there are no many other types of tea, but yeah, I tasted the best version of Castleton tea today, so I'm very happy. The talking with the manager was also very nice. It's a great day. Very happy. I think that was very impressive. For manager, tea is his passion. What makes him very passionate. Pursuit to make a good tea is his purpose right now. So that was very impressive. Now I'm on the way to Crucion. Wow, and I found very interesting thing. This trunk is so thick, so huge, right? Maybe this tea tree is planted a very long time ago. Wow, so big. And the yield from this one single tree is very much. Wow. And yes, that is Crucion town. And yeah, at this tea farm there are a lot of big tea trees. Wow, this one also very old, right? This single tea tree is bigger, very big. So this bush is quite interesting, right? It has a big leaf like this. So big.